Hello, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale video walk around for 1999 limited 4Runner, the funkiest 4Runner ever. But I think they made them also a little more squarish before. But anyway, this is the most popular 4Runner, the most popular color I think, and I believe the limited has the two-tone color on it, all the moldings in gold. Guys, amazing thing about the car, like the frame is spotless. You ain't gonna find a rust bucket here. Yes, it does have the miles. I think about 250 or 260,000 miles, and it is four-wheel drive. We're gonna do very quick walk around. We're starting with the from the windshield. Windshield is good, not cracked. Yeah, you got a fender on the side. Take a look. The fenders, the fender flares, like the clear coat. Everything looks so nice. I don't know. It's amazing. Okay, you got the front bumper. Front bumper grills. Nothing cracked. Nothing is broken here. Take a look. You do have some rock chips. You do have some minor, maybe leg scratches. As keep in mind, we're in 2025. This is 1999. Okay. So on this side, look at this. You can still see the paint. How nice and sparkly that is. You got Firestone tires. The tires are very good. Look at inside. You could look at inside how nice is the frame over there. Look at that. It still has the frame number, which is down on the bottom right there. Okay, so we're gonna look at this door right now. Look at this door. You can see that the door is nice. You don't see any damages here. So as you can see it at the bottom of the door right there, that you're not gonna find any rust. That's what the usual rust hides. You got a nice door panel. Look at that. No cracks, no rips, nothing. The car does not smell like any cigarettes or anything. This is original seats. That looks like it's an original seat. You have original floor mats. You do have even the Toyota book manual over here. Dashboard is not cracked. You do have aftermarket radio, okay? Aftermarket radio and a sunroof. So we're gonna go to this side quick, right here. Take a look. The door panel the same way. Door panel has no issues. You got the bottom of the door panel. Take a look for the rust. You're not gonna find it. You got a nice passenger seat. Look at it. This is still soft. Still looks good. And the headliner. Look at the headliner. Headliner is good. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna go to the back tire. You got the back tire is nice. Same Firestone. Okay. Take a look. We're gonna go on this side. Yes, it's limited with four-wheel drive. Take a look. The trunk space. The trunk space even has the original cargo car. We're gonna go on the bottom quick here. I'm gonna look at what we have here. The car is nice. Take a look. Look at these pieces right here. That's what the frame is. Right here, John. Take a look. Right there. Right there. Yeah. You see how that inside? The shocks, everything, spotless. Guys, if you're looking for a car for a project, you wanna lift it up, do with it. If you're looking nice body and you're looking for a nice frame, that will be the car for you. Okay, we're gonna try to close this, and it's a little heavier. All right, we're gonna close this. It's still a nice trunk lid. Take a look. There's no, I don't even see any damages. You have some minor scratches here. You got the towing part right here. Okay, now we're gonna come back to this side. You got a quarter panel. The quarter panel is nice. Tires are all consistent. They're all the same brand, and they're all the same tire tread. You got, just like I said, nice seats. Smells like a 4Runner inside. The door panel is okay. Minor scratches right here. Now we're gonna go to the main door, which is the driver door. The driver door looks very nice. Also here, no cracks. This is where they open the windows. The driver's seat is also nice. Take a look. No rips. We're gonna start the car. Starts very nice. We're gonna operate the roof. Roof works. Now, guys, keep in mind that this vehicle is 1999. Regardless of what we shown, what it is, it's still sold as this. So consider that that is a bunch of years old, and you're gonna have to take care of it. I mean, whatever you're planning to do with it, you're planning to work on it. It's a good project car for somebody to lift it up, to work on it, and I think it's amazing. The AC is super cold. That's very nice. Let's open up the hood. Now this window works. This window works, and that window works. and that window works. So we got all windows working. All right. All right. So all the windows work. We're gonna open up the hood and see how it's under the hood. Okay. Uh, John, I'm gonna pull it. Try to pull the hood, please. Sorry. I was pulling the wrong. I was pulling the wrong one. Okay. So what do we got here? What do we got here? We got a beautiful 3400 4Can 24. You have some timing record right there from the past. That's why they call this solid engines. You got the VIN number stickers right there, original fenders. The car is super nice. Take a look, guys. Keep in mind, close this down. Yeah, look at all the door jams and all the jams in the corners to see that there's no rust. Now, guys, friendly disclosure. Once again, this vehicle is sold as this. Taxes, fees, registration not included in price. Shipping $1 to $1.50 mile, documents, everything through DocuSign if you're not able to buy here in person, and all the payments come through wire transfers. Feel free to send somebody. This is 1999 with 250,000 miles. Feel free to send somebody here on your behalf to inspect the vehicle, that when you purchase, you understand what you're purchasing and you're happy with the purchase. All right, thank you so much. God bless, and bye bye.